High viewers sound effect in commercial closely resemble emergency warning sound. Haguki Plus new commercial to be taken off air after concern raised arrangements are being made. TBS Ravit Monday to Friday 8 am aired on the 4th, but the commercial that was announced to be cancelled was aired between broadcast, causing surprise among viewers. Haguki Plus commercial to be cancelled following concerns. Zoki Sari and Emura Misaki, who have won the medal in the women sabre team fencing event at the Paris Olympics, appeared on the broadcast that they competed in the SASSEN knockout match against a selected team from Ravit leaving up the show. If you want more information, then stay tuned with my channel. Thank you.